So to make our rustic dough, the first thing that we want to do is I have already measured out my poolish into my stand mixer bowl. Now we're going to go in with our water. It's very hot here right now. I'm using ice cold water. So we're going to measure that in now. Then we're going to add our yeast. Give that a bit of a stir. Add our salt and our bread flour. I like to just give that a little bit of a mix just to help get it started. Onto our mixer. And we're going to mix that on low speed for about 4 minutes or until everything is combined. With these very wet doughs, it can be helpful to switch over, if you have it, to a paddle attachment. So I'm going to do that now, see how wet it is. This rustic dough is a 75% hydration, so that's 75% of the flour weight is water, so lots of water in there. So let's switch over to our paddle, and we're going to mix this until we can achieve a window test or 75% gluten development. And we're going to pop this on speed 2 or 3. Now once your dough is ready, you'll notice that it will start coming away from the sides and you can do a window test. I've just got myself here a really nice large container. And you want to get yourself a really good olive oil, like an extra virgin olive oil, because this will add a lot of flavor to your dough and also stop the dough from sticking in your container. So let's get our dough in. Once your dough is in your container, you can do your first series of turns, also known as folds or stretch and folds. So we're just going to grab the dough from each end, stretch it up, and pull over. Stretch it up, pull over. We do that on each corner. Got some of that oil on there too. And we're going to continue doing our turns every 30 minutes.